Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to another video of Teeline Shorthand, lecture number 26, part B. In part A, we have discussed these outlines, and today in this video, in this tutorial, we will write these outlines. Amount. So first word is, let's start the video without delay. Amount, because we have to cover all the syllabus of Teeline Shorthand in a very short time. Amount. For word amount, A-M. A-M. Students, I told you in my previous tutorials and videos that in Teeline Shorthand we focus on the sound. We omit the outlines of those alphabets which do not have a strong sound. We only make the outlines of those alphabets which have a strong sound. It's phonetic based system, Teeline Shorthand. So amount, AM. Well, in special outline, distinguished outlines, reduce outlines, we just take outlines as a rule. In these outlines, we should not focus on the sound of the alphabets. We just take them as a rule. For amount, it's this outline, use A and M. Different, D, F and T. Above the line, D, F and T, D, F and T. Differed, D, F, T, D, F, T, D, F, T. Students, in my previous lectures I told you that difference between the D and T outline. Outline of D and T. Outline of T is above the line and outline of D is on the line. Differently, D, F and T, I. D, F and T, I. For LY, we use this. So D, F, T, LY. Of, his. Of, this is for of. This is for of and H, S. Of, H, S. Of this. It's very hard to write on the last line. Of, for of we use outline of O. Of, T, H, S. Of, T, H, S. Of this. Next word is together. For together we just use the outline of T and G. T and G. T and G. Next, with us. Above the line, with us. But you can make the outline of with us on the line. With us. With you. With you. With you. Students, to learn the Teeline Shorthand, practice is very important. You know, practice makes man perfect, and to memorize these outlines you must write outline at least for 10 to 12 times. With you. This. THS. 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 These. THS. To make the difference in this outline and these outline, you can write here E. It will indicate the alphabet E in this outline. THES. It is just for the writer convenience. It's up to you. You may write this indicator or you may not. Those. THOS. 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 Those. In fact, for outline of in fact, I, N. Here we join the outline of F. Then we join the outline of C and T. C and T on the line. I, N, F, C, T. How we make the outline of in fact? I, N. With N we join the outline of F. With F we join the outline of C and T. In fact, in favor. Again, I, N, F, V, R. I, N. With N we join the outline of F. V, R. And with V we join the outline of R. I, N, F, V. And with V we join the outline of R. In favor. Last time. L, S, T, I, M. L, S, T, I, M. L, S, T, I, M. Last minute. L, S, T, M, N. Minute. L, S, T, M, N. L, S, T, M, N. Each day. EC, and for day we use this line, outline of D above the line. Each day. Each day. To them. TO2 THM. TO2 THM. To them. Next to him. TO2 HM. TO2 HM. To him. All sorts of things. AL for all. Sorts. SRTS. SRTS. All sorts of things. For things we use this, and this is plural. For thing we use this line, and for things we add S in this outline. So here the things. All sorts of things. ALSRTS, and for things line and S. Hospital. HSP. We use this outline and we use also this outline. HSP ITL. HSP ITL. We have two outlines of word hospital together. Again, together. We have write the outline of word together twice. Together. Make the outline of all together. All together. All together. All together. So we have completed our lecture. Today lecture. I hope this will be helpful for you. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.